I'm kind of lit right now, so my makeup isn't gonna turn out the best. I'm using the Tarte Face Tape Foundation, of course, as always. Unless I like switch over for whatever reason, unless I get bougie and switch to Giorgio Armani or Giorgio Armani. Unless I swatch, like this is what I've been using, and it's been great. It's been really great for me. I want to remind you I'm in the shade Deep Neutral. It's 51 in, and I love it. I would think that I would have gotten darker this summer and needed to get a darker shade, but I really didn't even get darker this summer, which is crazy. I mean, I guess I didn't spend a lot of time in the sun, but I mean, I was out and about, but I'm a nightlife kind of person, so honestly, I come out in the nighttime. So I wasn't getting a lot of sun, but I was getting enough. Like, no, I wasn't. I'm not even gonna lie to you guys. And I know we have another month. I saw a tweet. It was like, I hate when people think the summer's over in August. August is like the best time of summer. Totally agree. My dog is breathing so hard. Whenever I start talking and he's trying to sleep, he just thinks it's so rude. Like, he honestly wants me to shut up. You're in my room, dude. You chose to come in my room and sleep. You have to respect what I'm doing. So, yeah, life has been weird. Life has been really, really freaking weird. But I've been going with it, you know? I've just been going with it, you know? Because what else can I freaking do? Fight it? Freaking try to change my destiny? I don't know. I just gotta go along with the weirdness. You can manipulate in the ways that are necessary. But as far as the way that people treat you and the things that you can't control, you should just enjoy life regardless of, you know, the things that you can't control. And that's what I'm starting to do. I'm just like, whatever it is that I can't control, I'm not gonna dwell on it. I'm just gonna live, because I wasn't put on this earth to sit here and dwell and be sad and just be disappointed and where I'm not at and who's treating me good and who's treating me bad and who likes me and who doesn't. Like, that's just so middle school. Like, we gotta like find better things to worry about, and I've decided I want to find better things to worry about. I want to worry about my career. I want to worry about where my life is headed. I want to worry about where God wants me to be. You know, I just want to worry about the things that are necessary in completing my purpose on earth. Like, because at the end of the day, that's the true thing that matters. We want to think that it's about how many people like us and how many people support us and all of the extra things that make us feel good and make us feel validated. But at a certain point in life, you have to understand, like, validation is always there. It's who you're seeking it from that makes it feel like a scarce thing. Here's my dog getting off my bed. He's so extra. Alright, Bear. Alright, hold on, guys. We have to realize who we're seeking validation from. Who is it that we want validation from? Is it the man who barely gives it to us? Is it the man that sometimes he likes us and then other days he treats us like we're not really that important to him? Is it the friend who only hits you up when they need something? Who are we seeking validation from? Who? Because if you were seeking validation from the right places, you would feel good all the time. You know, I'm not saying that life doesn't have its ups and downs, but I'm just saying, you know, I'm speaking from experience. I think, like, when we get at a place where we like are seeking that from other people, we're kind of in a bad place. It's not that like whoever you're dating or whoever you're with shouldn't encourage you. It's not that I'm saying that. But I'm saying if we are spending our time waiting for people to tell us we're good enough, then we're wasting our time. Other people have other priorities and they have different things that they're focused on and different things that they want in life. And on top of that, we're dealing with people who are envious of us and who don't want to see us do well. So focusing on yourself is a good thing. It's not always bad to understand that you're in this alone and get it on your own. Like, it's not bad. I have been doing this YouTube thing for how long? I've had one brand reach out to me, which I appreciate. I will appreciate forever. But I'm just saying, like, I'm not, you know, where I truly want to be. If I sought out to seek validation from brands all the time and people all the time and followers and likes, I'd never post a video. So we gotta understand, like, who are you seeking validation from? That is the question of this video. Who are you seeking validation from? Because if it's not coming from within, then it's the wrong type of validation. If it's not coming from God, it's the wrong kind of validation. We gotta know who we are in this crazy world who tries to tell us who we are, because there's so much against us. There's so much that doesn't want us to succeed and be happy and feel loved and feel appreciated. Like, there's so much out here to destroy you, and you have to know who you are. And if you don't, you will continue to seek validation from people who don't care about you, people who don't want to see you do well. And that's not my desire for the people who subscribe to my channel. The people who subscribe to my channel, they know who they are, and they know that they are valuable assets to this world and to any organization that they decide to be a part of, any friendship that they decide to involve themselves in. Like, you are a valuable asset to whatever you decide to contribute to in this life. And if you don't know it, then no one else will. You have to know that. I am at the best place I've ever been in my life. Like, I am the most confident I've ever been. Like, I love where I'm at in life. Do I have everything I want? Heck no, not even close. But I'm at my most confident I've ever been. I don't think I could have been able to say that last year. I couldn't have said that the year before. I couldn't have said that, you know, before now. I could not have been able to say that. But I'm just so blessed to have went through things that helped me decide that I'm important and I'm valuable, and, you know, anyone a part of my life is blessed to be here. It's a type of confidence that you have to have, and it's not an arrogance at all. Arrogance is never what I strive for. Arrogance is braggadocious, and everyone has to know where you're at in life and what you're doing, and if you're successful, then everyone has to know it. You can't be confident in your success without knowing other people know that you're successful, and that's arrogance. Confidence is just knowing who you are and knowing what you deserve in life and not settling for less. You're not bragging, but you just know who you are at core, and there's not really a lot someone can do or say to waver that, because you know, and no one else needs to tell you that. And that's the type of confidence that I hope that all of my subscribers get, because it definitely is tough out here. But all in all, just if you're proud of who you are and you're recognizing that you want to be a better individual and you want to love yourself more, that's still a good start to loving who you are truly. And I think sometimes it takes being in a place where you kind of want to change yourself and you kind of aren't happy with who you are and you're not happy with where you're at in life. You kind of, you know, are at this weird shaky position in life, and that's when you truly discover who you are. So don't shame the process, just get through the process, because once you get through it, you will see what's going to unfold for you. I know I look pasty. My eyeliner looks so bad. As much as I hate it, I also love it. So let me go get my lashes. I'm getting ready to add some bronzer to my face, just to add some color, because I'm looking like Casper the freaking ghost. So I'm kind of lit right now, so my makeup isn't gonna turn out the best. But you know, whatever. It'll be fine. Once I add a filter to this, I'll be good. Isn't that terrible how much I rely on filters now? I'm like, okay, if my makeup is on, as long as it's on and it looks decent, my filter will do the rest. And I truly believe that. I truly freaking believe that. Eyes in my rearview mirror, I'm on po won't go for nothing. And now I'm getting ready to do my nose contour. Super simple. I just like to drag a little bit of bronzer across the bridge of my nose. When I get lazy, I just take it on my whole bridge of my nose, and then I add the concealer, because sometimes I'll drag it on the sides and then I'll add the concealer in the middle, but it just makes more sense and it's a lot easier to just put the bronzer on your nose and then add a concealer. So that's what I'm doing. I'm grabbing my Urban Decay Light Neutral and I am dabbing a bit along the bridge of my nose, and I'm just gonna take my finger and slowly move downward. And notice how I'm not moving my finger, I'm moving my face, my head, because that's how you create the straight line. And so here's my line there, and then I do whatever I gotta do to make it not look so precise, but I'm not gonna cap. I kind of like a precise nose contour, so I don't really hate it that much. So I grab my Icon Pro palette, open it, my most golden color, put it right on the bridge of my nose so that we've got a pointed nose with a cute little tip. We love it. It's so cute. It's our favorite thing. It's our favorite thing. It's my favorite thing. Pull up on me. Next thing we need is mascara. I'm using the e.l.f. mascara, volumizing mascara, of course. And I'm just going over where I added these lashes. And I did learn to add my lashes straight, so they're not right on my lash line at the ends. They're kind of just following my wing. So it looks cute. Depending on what you're doing, you can kind of tell that your lashes aren't directly on your lash line, so just do it with caution. I personally don't really care that much. I'm here for a good time, not a long time. Okay, so I have a little bit of mascara right here. I'm gonna let it dry first before I pick it off because I don't want to smear it, but I'm getting ready to do my lips next. So we're gonna start off. Okay, so this entire time I've been lying to you guys. This is an eye pencil. It is by NK Makeup and it is an eye pencil. I don't know if before it was a lip pencil, but I've been using an eye pencil on my lips this entire time. I haven't been mad at it, but like I just thought it was important that I let you guys know, because you might go in the beauty supply looking for a lip pencil and you're like, what the heck? Yeah guys, I'm using an eye pencil.
Mercier hazelnut tea, of course.
So that wraps up today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this makeup look and how it came together. I'm a huge fan of a nose highlight and a good bronzer. I'm just in love with that look, and a lot of people don't really like it. A lot of people are like, why is your nose so shiny? Because I want it to be, sis. I want my nose to be shiny. Why is your nose not shiny? You need to get that together, okay? I really need you to get that together, seriously. If you like this video, go ahead and give this a like and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. I love you guys so much, and thank you so much for watching. Bye.